Hi, George. This is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly on the phone earlier this evening about me shooting you over this custom 5-minute video on how you can improve your website and increase your online traffic flow, revenue, profit, etc. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I am going to Google HVAC companies in Fort Worth, Texas. And throughout the duration of this video, I am going to compare your website to one of the top competitors in this area, which throughout this video is going to be Comfort Experting. So this section up here is the ad section. As you can see, it says sponsored. So all of these people are paying for ads. This right here is the Google Map Pack. So this is where, if you're not in this, we would probably add you to that. And then this is the organic section. So this is where the actual ranking begins. As you can see, these top couple of ones are directory links. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Expertise, those are all great sites. So if you weren't already a part of those, we would definitely add you to them. I do know you are on Angie's List. So as mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and go to this website, which is, let me go to the top, Comfort Experting. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. Content is any verbiage that is on your website. For now, we're going to focus on the home page. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and grab all of this content, verbiage, and we are going to copy and paste it into my word counter. As you can see, they have about 2,400 words of content on their home page. Let's go ahead and look at yours. So yours seems to have about 300 words. So Google actually recommends having about 1,000 to 2,000 words worth of content on your homepage. Reason being that these all provide opportunities for us to sneak in keywords. I'll get into keywords in just a little bit, but keywords are essentially the phrases that people Google to pull up your website. I know the internet itself can be pretty daunting, and you often don't get this explanation of exactly what it takes to rank your website, so that's what I'm here for. So that being said, that leads us into keywords. So what I did next is I went ahead and I took each of your websites and I put them into an online tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditor. Right off the bat, you can see that Comfort Experts spends about $1,000 a month on ads, and this generates that between the ads and their website alone, this generates 18.1K worth of traffic a month, which is pretty amazing. So that leads us into, well, let's look at yours. Yours is currently at 0. It looks like this might be a newer domain, so of course that gives us room to grow, which is, awesome as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on their keywords. As mentioned, these are the phrases that people Google to pull up your website. So things like AC repair Denton, Texas, AC repair Fort Worth, Texas, air conditioning repair Fort Worth, Texas, HVAC Fort Worth, Texas. These are all buyer intent keywords. What that means is these are people within your area looking for this service. So more than likely they're going to be people who close the deal. Keywords like AC replacement near me, that's a nationwide keyword. What this means is that someone in Oregon could Google AC replacement near me and this website might come up. It's not a buyer intent customer. That's not the kind of traffic that we want to bring to your website, because unless you plan on flying to Oregon and servicing them, it's not someone that's going to make us money. So you actually don't have any organic keywords. So what we do is we would add all of these, not just Fort Worth, but all the surrounding towns, and we would add this into your content. We would add about 1,500 more words worth of content to your homepage, including all of these keywords. So that leads us to our next thing, which is backlinks. So let's take a look at what backlinks are. So backlinks are essentially anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So Comfort Experts is linked somewhere on the internet 1.97K times. That means their website is snuck onto some kind of pages, or 151 pages 1.97K times. Ours is linked 6. So what we would do first to start climbing that rank is we would go and we would copy all these backlinks. So we would go and add you to the same ones that they have, which just puts us on an even playing field. And then for month after month after month, you would want to go and add more and more, and that is how you begin climbing the ranks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these tips, George. Of course, you can incorporate them yourself. and start climbing the ranks on your own. Of course, you can reach out to me for some assistance. All of my contact info is linked in the email, and I look forward to hearing from you soon, hopefully. Have a great night.